Summertime is here and a few friends are stopping by after work and you would like to serve them something easy and delicious. Well, here at Sci Guy Cooks, we have a great recipe for you with sweet and spicy shrimp skewers. So let's get started. Let's prepare the marinade. Chinese five spices consist of cinnamon, cloves, star anise, Szechuan peppercorn, and fennel seed. Keep in mind a little goes a long way. Fresh squeezed orange juice is always better. Now let's prepare the shrimp. While the shrimp is marinating, let's make the dipping sauce. Let's build the skewers. Set your timer for 8 minutes. As always, ovens do vary. Evidence suggests that skewers date back over 300,000 years ago. Ancient Minoans had stone supports with indentations that may have held skewers dating back to 17th century BCE. Turn skewers over and set your timer for 5 minutes. Only 5 more minutes in the oven. Those look great right out of the oven. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's try one. Wow, these shrimp skewers have the right amount of heat and sweetness. I'm gonna have one more. Yes, the dipping sauce is a great addition to the skewers, and your guests will absolutely enjoy them. Leave a comment and or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Looks like a great appetizer for your guests. Stay with us, watch the next video.